Crypto insiders say that Bitcoin may go past its previous 20K high, and IBM lets go of one of its most famous Bitcoin champions. Let's start the show. Welcome back to Crypto Global News. Many thanks for tuning into today's show. I'm Edward, and we'd really appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe. Enjoy today's episode. IBM is one of the many companies working on cross-border payment solutions for banks and financial institutions. IBM's head of blockchain, Jesse Lund, has reportedly left the company. Now, Lund had previously been part of R3, which is a consortium of banks like Wells Fargo, where he was actually previously employed, which picked up by Mike Hearn after he quit Bitcoin development. The prediction is based on the idea that a substantial portion of the world's wealth will be concentrated in decentralized ledger technologies. At present, the various assets in the class are at best exotic and volatile. Let's see what Mr. Lund's next move is. Litecoin is topping the headlines as it had a huge surge in recent days. After hitting a low of $22.93 back in December of last year, Litecoin has surged back to over $118 in May. It's a metric rise of 416% that dwarfs even Bitcoin's resurgence. The number of Litecoin addresses has grown rapidly in 2019, and a handful of celebrity endorsements have raised the company's profile. Let's see if Litecoin is one of the big newsmakers at the end of 2019. The number of wallets holding between 1,000 and 10,000 Bitcoin has seen a major increase since the crypto market bottomed out during the crypto winter, indicating that a significant accumulation during the price dip. The analysis begins by comparing Bitcoin's distribution landscape today with data from August in 2018, when the top coin was at last trading around $8,000 price range. The analysis focused on the so-called firm-sized Bitcoin wallet addresses, defined as those holding between the 1,000 and 10,000 Bitcoin mark, and notes that such addresses now hold over 26% of circulating supply, or 36 billion worth of Bitcoin. So, will this bull run see a whole new batch of Bitcoin millionaires? The Internet of Things blockchain network IOTA has finished preparations for further decentralized transaction validation. Now, according to a press release and a blog post from the company, its coordinator mechanism will now give away a new tool dubbed Courticide. Like its predecessor, Courticide will manage transaction security, ensuring transactions process and that the same funds are not spent twice, so-called double spending. According to executives, the move marks a major step towards complete decentralization for IOTA, which had previously stressed its coordinator was a temporary fixture. Where will the battle between decentralized and centralized end up in the blockchain space? The Bitcoin price rally continues to push north, and there are people predicting that it may retest to all-time high of $20,000. According to Andy Chung, head of operations at Malta-based cryptocurrency exchange OKX, it is likely to happen in 2019. Chung called 20,000 a conservative prediction, hinting that most speculators are less likely to exit their long positions now that Bitcoin has already bounded more than 180% from its near $3,120 low in just 163 days. Where is Bitcoin headed? Well, only time will tell. But if it does hit 20K again this year, how will this affect the crypto space, and how will this affect investing more generally? Many thanks for tuning into today's episode. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. For Crypto Global News, I'm Edward. Until next time, you take it easy.